right away. So again, turn it hard passenger as far as you can. Back up a bit. A little bit more. That's good.
That's awesome.
Hard driver. I want your tires pretty much pointed right at it.
I'm trying.
Come on, big man.
A little more. That's all you got?
That's all I got.
Okay. You're going to have to bump it.
I gave it all of it.
And you may have to actually hold the brake on and let it load up that torque converter.
Good?
A little more. Good. Load up that torque converter and give it hell. Alright, hold on a second.
This is fun. Is he asleep still?
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to back you up a little bit more. Okay. So go ahead and back up. You're just resting your bumper for the day. Let's go. A little more. A little more. Good. Let's try it from there. That'll give you a little bit of a run. Okay. But you're going to have to turn hard driver. Okay.
Fast.
We don't like it's not yours.
That's as much as I got, driver.
Okay?
Son of a turkey.
Okay. From right there, keep your tires turning and turn it hard passenger. One more forward. Not enough.
Trying to get some grab.
Yeah, I was trying to get him to grab something. You're resting perfectly. I'm going to